everything you need to know before getting your first prosthetic leg. Hi there! If you're listening to this, maybe ikaw mismo ay planning na magpagawa ng prosthetic leg or baka may loved one kang gusto mong tulungan sa journey nila. Either way, you're in the right place. Getting your first prosthetic leg can feel overwhelming, may halong excitement, takot, at sobrang daming tanong. Pero don't worry. In this episode, we'll walk through everything you need to know, a step-by-step guide para maging madali, confident, at ready ka sa prosthetic leg journey mo. Step 1. Unahin muna natin ang iyong mindset. Normal lang nakabahan, normal lang matakot. You've been through a lot, and this next step is about moving forward. Give yourself time to heal physically and emotionally. If may mga support groups or community near you, join them. Makakatulong marinig yung stories ng ibang amputees. You'll realize, hindi ka nag-iisa. Step 2. Medical evaluation. Punta tayo sa practical side. Before anything else, you'll go through a clinical assessment or evaluation with our prosthetist that will check if your limb is fully healed, kung okay ang balance, muscle strength, at kung ready ka na for your casting day. Think of this step as your foundation. Ito yung base ng comfort at success mo through your prosthetic leg journey. Step 3. Understanding your prosthetic leg. Now, let's talk about the parts. First part is the socket. In a prosthetic leg, the socket is the part that connects your residual limb, yung natitirang parte ng leg, to the rest of the prosthesis. Think of it as the foundation or heart of the prosthetic leg. Kasi ito yung nagpapasok ng limb mo sa device and holds everything securely in place. What the socket does, it supports your body weight. It carries your full weight every time you stand or walk. Kaya dapat super fit and comfortable siya. It connects your limb to the prosthetic leg. It's where your limb fits in, like a custom glove made just for you. Distributes pressure evenly para hindi masakit or ma-irritate ang skin mo, especially sa bony areas. Keeps the prosthetic leg stable. A good socket means better balance and smoother walking. A comfortable socket equals a happy prosthetic leg user. Even a high-performance prosthetic leg won't feel right if the socket doesn't fit properly. Second part is pylon, the structure or bone. Then, the knee joint for above-knee users, foot, at syempre, yung suspension system that keeps everything stable. Tip ko lang, don't just choose based on price. Piliin mo yung best fit for your lifestyle. Are you active? Mahilig maglakad? O gusto mo lang simple everyday mobility? Your prosthetist will help you decide. Step 4. Choosing the right prosthetist. Isa sa pinaka-importanting choice mo ay ang prosthetist mo. Find someone with credentials and experienced who can explain things clearly and patiently, who listens to your concerns and truly cares about your journey. Ask questions. Meron ba silang on-site fabrication? Paano ang adjustments at follow-up care? Kasama ba ang gait training sa package? These small details can make a big difference in your comfort and confidence. Step 5. The process and timeline. So paano nga ba ang process? Usually ganito ang flow. 1. The healing stage. 2. Measurement or casting. 3. Test socket fitting. 4. Final fitting. And 5. Gait training. Expect adjustments. Normal lang yan. Your prosthesist might need a few tweaks bago maging perfect fit. Step 6. Rehab and gait training. Pagsuot mo na yung prosthetic leg mo, here comes the exciting part, walking again. Kasama mo dito ang prosthetist mo. Tutulungan ka nila with balance, confidence, at tamang paraan ng paglakad. It's not instant, pero every step counts. Celebrate small wins. Step 7. Cost and financing. Let's be real, medyo pricey ang prosthetic leg, pero maraming options. Always ask what's included in the price, like follow-ups, adjustments, or warranty. Step 8. Care and maintenance. Araw-araw, linisin mo ang socket at i-check ang balat mo kung may redness or irritation. At least once a week, i-check kung may loose parts or signs of wear and tear. Maliit na habit, pero malaki ang impact. Step 9. Adjusting to your new life, learning to live with a prosthetic leg is a journey. Set realistic expectations. Hindi kailangan perfect agad. Ang importante, consistent ka at alam mo kung bakit mo ito ginagawa. Share your goals with your prosthetist. Together, they'll help you reach the freedom you deserve. So, if you're about to get your first prosthetic leg, remember this. It's not just about walking again. It's about getting your life back, step by step, day by day. And every move you make is proof that healing and hope are always possible.